Is 24 weeks too late for a maternity photo shoot? What's going on to all of my married expecting parents? I am Jaylin Dorsey-Mitchell, an all-inclusive maternity photographer out of Detroit, Michigan. And in this video today, I want to let you know, is 24 weeks too late for a maternity photo shoot? Well, I think the answer depends. So typically moms who are on their second child show sooner than moms who are on their first child. So it may not be too late for moms who are on their second child to do a maternity photo shoot. But how do you know if your belly is even ready for a maternity photo shoot? Well, honestly, you want to look at a couple different things. Number one, you want to think about how does the clothes that you wear fit around your belly. If you have a nice enough snug to where you can take a hand at the top and a hand at the bottom and, kind of tuck the belly, like do the hold the belly pose and your belly shows, then your belly is big enough for maternity photos. You don't need a super big belly for maternity photos. You just need something that pokes out of your clothes and gives that you're pregnant look in your maternity portraits, because your photographer should work with you to give you wardrobe and do poses with you that show your bump. So thinking about that, 24 weeks may not be too late for a mom that's on her second child. Now, moms on their first child, this may be a little too early, but it honestly depends. Every pregnancy is different. You just want to do that close check. And also you want to work with your photographer to see if they can help you do poses and give you wardrobe that allows your belly bump to show. Now, 24 weeks may be too late if the maternity photographer you want is not available. So waiting till 24 weeks to get your maternity photo shoot done may be too late, because that photographer may not be available, and then the photographer that you want, you can't come to them, right? You're not going to be able to use them in your maternity photos. So when we think about that, it's very important that you work with your photographer in the beginning of your pregnancy, like the first trimester of your pregnancy, so you can start planning, making payments if you need to, because 24 weeks may be too late in that sense when you want the photographer that you want. But 24 weeks is not too late if you have the belly that you desire for your maternity photo shoot, and you do that by doing the bump check.